How to create a Steam account. First, you want to simply open your Steam application over here. Once you're inside your Steam app, you want to simply type it out your email over here and password over here if you already have an account. However, if you do not have an account, you can simply tap on create a free account over here. And once you have done so, you want to simply type it out your email address over here, and you want to simply type it out your email address again to confirm it from here. After that, you'd be able to choose your country of residence over here, and once you've selected your country, you want to simply tap on this empty box over here called I am human. This would be your captcha over here. You want to simply complete this captcha from here. Tap on skip if you want to skip this process. However, you wouldn't be able to create your account if you do so. You can simply select your captcha over here, and once you have done that, you can simply tap on verify over here. And if you clear this stage, you'd be able to. And once you have cleared your captcha, you want to simply tick on this box called I am 13 years of age or older. You want to simply tick on this box and tap on continue to create your account on Steam. And this is how you create an account on Steam, and you'd be able to type it out your email over here or your account's name over here and password the next time you log into the application. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.